This is my first time doing finger coils on my hair since I had my big chop about 5 weeks ago. Starting off with the wash and go from Miss Jessies. Don't want no suds, okay? We're gonna clean this hair. My curls is cute though. My curls is cute. All right, but y'all, come on. Let's go wash the hair. Okay, so we're gonna start by wetting our hair. How much ever hair we have or don't have, doesn't really matter. We need to make sure we get it wet. Then we're gonna put some of the product in our hands. Look, if you need more product, you just need more product. No matter if your hair is short, long, whatever it is. If you need more product, you need more product. I knew I had a lot of like product buildup in my hair, so I was like, yeah, we really need to get all of that out of my hair. And then we're going to rinse that all out. Y'all, don't mind this angle. Like, I'm out here doing my best. Okay, I'm doing my best. And I thought I had a better angle, but clearly it wasn't as good as how I rehearsed it, okay? But anyways, you're going to want to leave your hair somewhat damp, okay? So I decided, I don't know who I think I am, y'all. I decided, let me get my heat protecting spray and let me blow out my hair first. Because I guess I was thinking I was my hairstylist. That's what I was thinking. So I was like, okay, we're going to go ahead and put the olive oil ORS heat protecting spray with grapeseed oil. It smells so good, y'all. Like, it smells so freaking good. I could spray that on my hair every day just because. And look at me. Like, I really had the nerve to be blowing out that little bit of hair back there, y'all, but it still blew out. It still did what it had to do. Let me tell y'all something. I haven't done a voiceover on a long form video in a while, and I just want to say I miss talking to y'all like this. I miss talking to y'all like this because y'all get my real life reactions to what I be doing, okay? Because sometimes you don't know what it look like till you watch it back. And I'm like, well, now, what was going on here? So, so I did this so that my hair could have more length and more stretch, okay? Because if I didn't, I just feel like my hair's so coily, like the shrinkage would have been how it's going to be, which should be shrinking, as y'all can see. So it's a major difference. Can y'all see the length? Comment below and let me know if you can see the length difference between the blowout versus the not blown out hair, because that shrinkage be making me think I don't have hair like that. But if you look at this, y'all, I got a little bit of hair on my head. I got a little bit of something. Yeah, we're working with something. We're working with a little something. Who knows? Y'all might see me with a twist up real soon. Anyways, here we go. Let's get to the finger coils. That's what we need to get to. So I'm like, okay, let me start in the front. I usually start in the back, but I was like, let me start in the front, do something different, do something new. I think you should challenge yourself to do something different and new than what you usually do. So I'm using this Duke's CrazySexyCurl. And I was like, well, while I'm at it, let me use my Blue Magic and oil my scalp. Do y'all remember using Blue Magic back in the day? Like, that's what my mama used to use in my hair, and here I am still using it. So comment below if you use Blue Magic on your hair. So now I got the foam in my hair, right? And I'm like, all right, this should be easy. All I'm doing is all I'm doing is just doing some finger coils, y'all. Just put the mousse on the hair and then twirl it. This is what my hairdresser do. And at this point right here, I said, yeah, I know I know I just need to go to somebody else to do this, because it was not giving, y'all. It wasn't giving. And I've done coils on my hair before, but not this big chop. But I did it last year when I had my other big chop. But I don't know. Maybe I wasn't supposed to blow it out first. Y'all comment below. Somebody let me know. Was I not supposed to blow out the hair first? Because I'm like, this is not giving. Plus, also what's different with my hair this time is I got an amino acid treatment, which, is to make your curls more manageable, and it makes your hair less frizzy. So I don't know if that's what's going on, but it's giving like I'm doing some starter locks. Oh my God. In the back of my hair, look at what was going on. It just, y'all, and I was already committed because I was going out of town. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see where I went out of town and had so much fun. So I was like, okay, I'm going out of town. I want to do my hair, save some money. And I was like, okay. So I let it dry for like 2 days. And I wasn't confident. I'm smiling through it, but no, I wasn't confident. Now at this point, I'm going to work. It's my day after I just showed y'all. And I was like, I'm going to work. I gotta start unraveling these finger coils. Cause this is what I see my hairdresser do. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do it too. And I was already like, this is not how it looked when she did it. Like this is just not at all. Like this is not it, but I got to go to work. So I'm like, I got to figure something out. So as you can see, like I'm just on the move. I'm like, okay, we just going to unravel as much as we can. And we're just going to see what this looks like. And it looks like I should have just gone to the hairdresser. That's what it looks like, to be quite honest. So I'm like, I'm trying to save it. So now I'm like, okay, let me use my Aunt Jackie's leave-in control. Maybe get a hair a little bit moisture. It's looking kind of dry. And maybe I could fluff it up because my hair is meant to lay up versus down. You know what I mean? It's not lay because it's not laying. But, my hair is meant to be sticking up and not down because that's just the way God has created the hair that coils from my head. Y'all, the back of my hair was not giving. I was like, what is going on? It looks like it just wasn't giving. Let me just tell y'all, it just wasn't giving. Okay. So later on, this might be the same day or the day after, but I had an audition. So I was like, okay, let's play with this hair some more. Let's just get it looking like something because you are not happy with what's going on. So I'm like, okay, some pieces, they just need to be retwisted because the roots is rooting. It's looking like I ain't had a comb to the back of my hair in about 3 or 4 weeks. And I'm like in this transition phase of trying to lock my hair and not lock some parts. Okay. So I was like, okay, maybe my pick, I'm gonna pick it from the roots, maybe this will give me a little bit more life. Okay. A little bit more life to these finger coil locks that I got going on. Y'all, I just was not happy, but you know what? I kept trying. And you should keep trying too. There are going to be days in life where you're just you ain't feeling it. You're not feeling it. But guess what? Guess what you can do? You can go to bed and try again the next day. Okay? One foot in front of the other. 1 minute at a time. Okay? Just don't give up. So comment below if you're not going to give up on whatever it is that's bothering you, even if it's something like this, like a hairstyle. Like you just, it didn't come out how you envisioned it, like how your hairstylist would do it. You thought you had the same skills, but in reality it didn't work. So let me tell y'all what I decided to do to get it together. So now I'm feeling myself. I'm like, okay, I'm about to go on my trip. I done got it together. So what I did was I just wet my hair in the shower. I applied some curl gel, and then I used my spongy brush. Okay, so that just got me back to where I needed to be because them finger coil locks, that wasn't it for so-so. That wasn't it for so-so. So sometimes you just need to start all over. Sometimes you just need to, you don't even have to start all over. You just gotta make some shape from where you are. So as y'all can see, I look so much better. I'm so much more happy with my hair like this, Now I know the finger coil locks, they just didn't work for me. And I'm going to make an appointment with my hairstylist. Thank you guys so much for watching.